Hello everyone, welcome to the video series of engineering economics and cost analysis. So in this video we are going to discuss about demand and supply. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about demand and schedule. So let's move on to the topic. So these are the topics that you are going to discuss in this video series. First is what is meant by demand, and then what is meant by demand schedule, and then what is meant by demand curve. So first let's see what is meant by demand. It is the relationship between the quantity demanded and the price within a specific period. Or we can say it as it is the relationship between the maximum willingness to pay in return for something of value. So if a customer is ready to pay some price for getting a product, then it creates a demand. Market demand is the horizontal sum of individual demands. So it is market demand is a collective demands which involves the demand of every individuals. So it is a market demand that commands our interest. So now let's see what is meant by demand schedule. For example, consider a demand for peanuts per month. So the demand for peanuts for every month is the quantity demanded, which can be given by QD. Now we will form a table with the price of the demand of price of the peanuts for every month and then the quantity demanded every month. Now this table that gives the information regarding the price and the quantity demanded is the demand schedule. Yes, in a proper definition we can say that a demand schedule is a table showing the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demanded per period of time, and ceteris paribus, which means that provided all the other parameters remains constant. And here in the given example the peanuts are measured in kilograms. So next let's see what is meant by market demand schedule. So it is a table showing the relationship between the price of a good and the total quantity demanded by every customers in the market per period of time. So remaining all the parameters remains constant, considering the other parameters to be constants. That is what a demand schedule is all about. Now demand curve. If you have a demand schedule, then we can easily draw the demand curve. A demand curve is a graph of the demand schedule showing the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demanded per period of time. So here in the given graph the quantity demanded is given in x-axis and the price of the product is given in y-axis. So the curve drawn between the quantity demanded and the price gives the demand curve. Now let's see what is the law of demand. It is the basic law of economics. It is the basic principle of economics. So as per the law of demand, it states that at higher price the consumers will demand a lower quantity of a good. If the price is low, then the consumers will demand large number of the same goods, which is very common to every cases. For example, if a company is offering a discount price for a product, or if they reduces the price of their particular product, then the customers will go on purchase for the same product. So it creates a demand. So whenever the price goes up, the quantity demanded goes down, and whenever the price goes down, the quantity demanded will goes up. So this is the relationship between the price and quantity. So we must always remember that as per the law of demand, the price and the quantity demanded is always inverse. So when the price is high, the demand will be low, and when the price is low, the demand will be high. So in today's video we have seen about what is meant by demand, demand schedule, demand curve and law of demand. So hope this basic idea of what is meant by demand is very much helpful and very much applicable everywhere. So I feel that this video is helpful to you. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for listening.